We got our 4 tickets, and we got our reservation time. And this is Liam's first time. Emma's gone before. I've gone before, and Cher's gone before. Oh, cool.
I have to go. Okay, you can go to the other yellow box and stay in between the lines for me, okay?
Clear!
Clear. Okay, you guys, one standing. We're all going to the footboard. Good.
You getting scared, Liam?
Sound like you guys are having fun, so. Yeah. Great, guys. Good luck. Okay, you guys, switch places.
We'll swap places? Alright, swap places. And I'm the one pulling it, right?
Yes, that's
You're number 2.
Okay.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, this is his first time.
Oh, it's your first time? So scary. Okay, you guys, link your arms at the elbow.
Yeah, we gotta link arms, bud.
There you go.
Yep,
and then hold your own wrist just like this.
We do this the entire time.
It's really scary getting up. That's probably the worst part.
Let's go.
How does everything feel, you guys? Good?
Good.
You guys are gonna love it. That was scary.
I already do love this ride. It's awesome.
I feel like
It's my
I'm gonna
favorite
fly
ride,
out of
too.
this way.
I know, see, I was telling you, you know,
Anybody ever like flipped upside down?
no, you can't flip out on this ride or flip over or anything.
This is scary already.
I know it is, because your head's looking down.
Do we have to look our heads down?
Yeah, it's the only way we have to go. But
Is that tree?
no, we won't hit the tree. It is scary.
Fly us at the top. 3, 2, 1, and fly.
Here we go.
Fun!
Wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put your arms out now. Woo! Do it again?
Yeah.
Well, it's a ride that costs $15.
So we still have to tickets now?
So if we had unlimited money, we could do it.
It's my face.
It won't. Yep. You got it here. Let go. Got.
So, how was 150 feet?
That was awesome.
I really like this.
Okay, flyers, you're going to grab onto that black pad.
So right here, Liam, grab this pad.
I can't reach it.
Right.
Okay, and once you guys are standing, you guys are going to reach down and grab your foot bars.
Oops. That first little free fall gets you.
It's
Yeah,
scary.
60-foot free fall.
60-foot free fall? Wow, okay.
So 150 feet, falling 60 feet, and you're only hanging like 6 feet when you're up here. So,
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
Stay through the lines for me, okay?
Now stay in the yellow, bud.
That was fun. Scary? No?
Liam wasn't scared. Except he was.